Hi guys, this is Mike and this will be a shootout between 6 delay pedals that are all set to their analog or bucket brigade sound modes, except of course the Boss DM101, which is an analog bucket brigade delay, and the Strymon Brigadier, which is specifically designed to emulate one. So there's no need to set these two pedals to an analog sound mode because that's all they really do. Then I want you to know that except for this intro, I'm not going to talk in this video, simply because currently I am working on a bigger shootout between 8 different delay pedals, including these ones, where we will have less comparison samples but more of me talking. There, I will give you my detailed opinions on these pedals, I will tell you what I like or don't like about them, and maybe even show you 1 or 2 tips and tricks. So if you are interested in such a shootout and my opinion on these pedals, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. But today, let's listen to some sound samples. I hope you enjoy them and definitely let us know in the comment section what you think about these pedals afterwards. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment section which of these pedals you liked or didn't like, what you think about their sounds, and if you happen to own one of these pedals, please share your experience with it. Again, I hope you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye.